Hello, it's nice to have you all in HCE 241 Nutrition. Just double checking on a few things from pre-session. Make sure you've gone through the timeline on pre-session for practice and to introduce yourself to the rest of your classmates. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our textbook. It's Nutrition in You, the 4th edition. It's got veggie wraps on the front. I think like I mentioned to you before, if you have a different edition, get with me and I can help you with some of the page differences and some of the things that might be missing. In this edition, as well as some of the previous editions, in the front cover, you have several kinds of tables. In the back cover as well. They all have acronyms, the DRI tables, the RDA tables. You're going to be getting a lot of acronyms throughout the semester. Chapter 1 is basically the first chapter that gives you an overview of nutrition. You will learn about how nutrition affects you and your health. Learn about the 6 categories of nutrients, the different types of nutrients, and how to calorie count and use your knowledge to help you calculate your calorie intake. The end of the chapter talks about the scientific method and how you can learn to disseminate between fact and fiction. There's a lot of quackery out there, a lot of myths, so hopefully through this chapter you'll learn what you think you can believe and what you should question. Moving on to Chapter 2, it's the tools for healthy eating. It will introduce you to a website called myplate.gov or choosemyplate.gov. We'll be visiting that website and you'll also be using it for your 3-day dietary project. It's a very valuable tool. If you go ahead and get into it ahead of time, you'll be ready for your project, which is a 3-day dietary analysis. You're going to learn how to read food labels. Hopefully you're all already doing that when you go to the grocery store. It's a good chapter again for referencing in the future. I want to recommend a few things. Make sure that you've printed out your calendar. You've printed out your syllabus. Each chapter, read the text first if you want to add additional input to yourself. Look through the PowerPoints as well. You might want to do them at the same time and check out some of the differences. Sometimes the PowerPoint might be a little bit updated from the text. After you do that, enter the forum and discuss first on my post to me. Then go ahead and read some of your classmates' posts and choose at least 2 classmates to go ahead and have a conversation with them about your opinion on whatever the thread might be. After that, you should be ready to take your 5-question exam, 5 questions at the end of every chapter. A few other reminders in the timeline. There are extra materials, there's extra videos, there's a lot of things available to you, so use that as you wish. New materials will come out every Monday morning at 12:01. The previous chapters and all the assignments are due Sunday night at midnight. So you'll have a due time and then everything will open for you. Because this is summer session, everything's going to go very fast and there's 2 chapters every week. So please don't fall behind. That's probably the biggest downfall. So stay up with your reading. It's really easy reading and it's fun. So take care of that. Well, here we go. We get 2 chapters per week. So it's fast and furious. Remember, don't get frustrated. If something isn't working, please call, text, or email me anytime. Awesome.